OpenAI's ChatGPT EDU, powered by GPT-4o, provides universities with advanced features tailored to support academic and research activities. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. OpenAI's launch of ChatGPT EDU marks a significant milestone in the integration of AI technology into university settings. Tailored specifically for academic environments, ChatGPT EDU offers a range of benefits for universities looking to leverage AI responsibly. It provides number one, academic support. That is, ChatGPT EDU can provide students with personalized academic support, including answering questions, explaining complex concepts, and offering study tips and resources. Number two, 24 by 7 availability. With ChatGPT EDU, students have access to academic assistance around the clock, allowing them to seek help whenever they need it, regardless of time or location. Number three, scalability. ChatGPT EDU is capable of handling a large volume of inquiries simultaneously, making it scalable for universities with diverse student populations. With integrated web browsing capabilities, ChatGPT EDU can provide students and educators with access to a wealth of online resources, research papers, and educational materials. This feature enables seamless integration of online content into the learning experience, facilitating deeper exploration and understanding of academic topics. ChatGPT EDU's document summarization feature can automatically generate concise summaries of lengthy texts, research papers, and academic articles. This functionality can save time for students and researchers by quickly extracting key information from large volumes of text, enabling efficient study and research workflows. The good part is OpenAI has prioritized security and privacy in the development of ChatGPT EDU, implementing robust measures to safeguard user data and ensure compliance with privacy regulations. This commitment to security and privacy instills confidence in universities and users, promoting trust and adoption of the platform. By combining advanced AI capabilities with robust security and privacy measures, ChatGPT EDU powered by GPT-4o offers universities a comprehensive solution for enhancing teaching, learning, and research in the digital age. Let's look into today's headlines. Modi 3.0 may include the gas sector under GST, with GAIL and MGL to be the main recipients. According to research, one of the significant developments in the Modi 3.0 government could be bringing the gas sector under the GST ambit. The US brokerage maintains a positive outlook on the gas industry and chooses Mahanagar Gas Limited, that is MGL, and Gas Authority of India Limited, that is GAIL India, as its two best investments. Amazon purchases Indian video streaming service MX Player to popularize its services and brand in smaller cities and towns in the important foreign market. Amazon has agreed to buy major assets of the Indian video streaming provider MX Player from the regional media giant Times Internet. The deal, which values MX Player at less than $100 million, is finalized by the two companies. Qualcomm-backed Neuron releases AI processors, challenging industry leaders like Nvidia. In an attempt to capitalize on enterprises' interest in artificial intelligence and provide a rival to industry heavyweights like Nvidia and AMD, Neuron, an artificial intelligence chip firm, introduced KNEO 330, its second generation Edge GPT server. The company is supported by American semiconductor giant Qualcomm and iPhone assembler Foxconn. Generative Pre-trained Transformers, or GPTs, are AI systems that have been trained on massive volumes of data and can generate both text and graphics. DuckDuckGo pledges privacy as it launches an AI chat feature. After going through a beta phase, DuckDuckGo, a web browser that prioritizes privacy, has made its AI chat function available to all users. Users can communicate with AI models while being private due to this functionality. The browser comes with both paid and free versions. The AI chat promises confidential chats without using user data for training and supports four models, including OpenAI's GPT 3.5 Turbo. Narendra Modi discusses with President Draupadi Murmu and asserts his right to lead the nation. On Friday, President Draupadi Murmu extended an invitation to Narendra Modi to head the central administration. Previously, the National Democratic Alliance, that is NDA, led by the BJP, chose Narendra Modi to be the leader of the parliamentary party and the Speaker of the House of Commons. At Rashtrapati Bhavan, Narendra Modi met President Draupadi Murmu and asserted his right to form the government. Narendra Modi will take the oath of the office as Prime Minister for the third time on Sunday, that is June 9th at 7:15 p.m. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.